Hello everyone, welcome back to FORnSEC Solutions. Today we are going to talk about what is an API and how does it work. What is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface and it's everywhere around us. API seems to be something that allows two applications to talk to each other, and if we define it like that, we can see why APIs are broadly distributed. Not only do all our websites talk on API these days, but pretty much anything that is connected to the internet is dynamic and thus needs to talk to an API. What is an example of an API? When you use an application on your mobile phone, the application connects to the internet and sends data to a server. The server then retrieves the data, interprets it, performs the necessary actions, and sends it back to your phone. The application then interprets the data and presents you with the information you wanted in a readable way. This is what an API is. What is a REST API? REST is basically an architectural style of the web services that work as a channel of communication between different computer systems on the internet. The term REST API is something else. Those application programming interfaces that are backed by the architectural style of REST architectural system are called REST APIs. REST API comprehend web services, database system, and computer system permits requesting system to get robust access and redefine representation of web-based resources by deploying a predefined set of stateless protocols and standard operations. What is a SOAP API? SOAP is a standard communication protocol that permits processes using different operating systems like Linux and Windows to communicate via HTTP and its XML. SOAP-based API are designed to create, recover, update, and delete records like accounts, passwords, leads, and custom objects. These offers over 20 different kinds of call that make it easy for the API developers to maintain their accounts, perform accurate searches, and much more. This can then be used with all those languages that support web services. SOAP versus REST. It's important to know the distinction between SOAP and REST as both desire a slightly different approach to the security. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol, whereas REST stands for Representational State Transfer. SOAP was designed first, followed by REST, and we can state that SOAP is a protocol, whereas REST is an architectural pattern. An architectural pattern is a general, reusable solution to comply occurring problem in software architecture within a given context, while a protocol is an established set of rules that determine how data is transmitted between different devices and the API. So guys, this was all about for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of our upcoming video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay secure.